Prevention is probably better than cure, that we all know. And unfortunately, in cardiovascular diseases, the symptoms come very late. शेवटपर्यंत कळतच नाही पेशंटला काय होतंय. आत्ता एक पेशंट माझ्याकडे आहे जो मागच्या आठवड्यात 3 महिने मुलाकडे अमेरिकेला गेला होता. ही सॉ द होल ऑफ द US ऑन हिज ओन विथ हिज वाईफ. सगळीकडे चालत गेले, वरती खाली सगळे स्टॅच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी चढले एम्पायर स्टेट बिल्डिंग वरती खाली गेले, सगळं मॅनहॅटन चालले. यूज टू वॉक 10 to 12 kilometers a day. That is what he said. Day before yesterday, सकाळी आयुष्यात कधीही त्रास झाला नाही. ही इज अराउंड 60 years old. एकदाही एक क्रोसिनची टॅबलेट पण घेतलेली नाही. सो कन्सिडर्ड टू बी फिट, व्हेरी थिन, स्लिम, नो हॅबिट्स, नो डायबिटीज, नो हायपरटेन्शन. परवा सकाळी 5 वाजता त्याला दुखायला लागलं छातीत, म्हणून सह्याद्री झालं. मॅसिव्ह हार्ट अटॅक, ऑलमोस्ट डाईड, सेव्ड इन टाइम प्रॉब्ली. एंजियोग्राफी केली, 3 मेजर ब्लॉक्स. Himself is an engineer. He refused to believe. So I had to ring his son in Seattle. की बाबा असं झालंय. मिसेस सेड ओके, वाईफ सेड यू डू एव्हरीथिंग वेल. म्हटलं होऊच शकत नाही, तुम्ही परत एकदा चेक करा मला. म्हटलं जे दिसते ते मला कसे असतील मला ब्लॉक्स, मी एवढं चाललोय, कालपर्यंत मी चालत होतो. सो सिम्पटम्स आर व्हेरी मिसलीडिंग.
Very true.
That is very, very important. So prevent. If this gentleman had come say even 1 month before or even 15 days before to us for a regular checkup, we would have found this problem and fixed it in time. Luckily, he's okay. He's about to go home tomorrow, but with some disability, obviously. So that is very, very important. That you must get yourself checked at least every 5 years, once every 5 years. And as age advances, probably the frequency should increase.
So what is the checkup like? If somebody today, a layman, has to go और बोलना है कि भाई मुझे checkup
There are
करना है.
numerous checkups you can do. One, Indus has a good package which checks you literally from head to toe.
Okay.
At a reasonable cost. Most of the diseases are detected in this package. So basically, see, diabetes, there are very, very little symptoms. Blood pressure, there are no symptoms. As I mentioned just now, this example, heart problems, major heart problems will have no symptoms
At all.
till you get a heart attack or unfortunately you drop dead. That is also possible. So that first symptom, 10 to 15% of heart attacks present as sudden cardiac death, which is very alarming. So हे आपण खूप वेळा ऐकतो ना, ते पूर्वी आपण आजी सांगायची की मूठ मारली, काय ते करणी झाली आणि गेला. So that sort of thing our grandmothers and grandfathers used to tell us. So this must be obviously heart problem. And I personally don't believe that heart problem has suddenly increased in the society. It has increased, but it must have been there in the society in previous generations. It was not detected because there was no means. As Amol had said, this advance is only 20 years old.
Yes.
So angioplasty technique is only 30 years old. It was invented in 1978. So it is as recent as that. I as a medical student did not know angioplasty at all because it was not invented. Bypass surgery is only 40 years old. So all these things have come in the last 20-30 years. Before that nothing was there. So basically prevention, now you have these facilities, so you must make use of them.
Use of those.
And as he has rightly said, stitching time is obviously better than getting a scar on your chest.